Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect BeReal to Spotify. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Spotify and BeReal are joining forces to the ultimate Gen Z overshare. Starting this week, BeReal user can include what they are listening to on Spotify alongside their dual camera survey. So, how to do it if you want to connect your Spotify to your BeReal account? It's very simple. So first of all, first we have to open our BeReal apps. Now, from here, you can go to your profile. Tap on the bottom right here. Now you can tap on the up right corner on the gear icon in here. You can go to settings, and on the features section you'll find there is an option music. You can just tap on that and you can see you can share with your friends what you're currently listening to when you post your BeReal on Spotify by connect. You can tap on connect. Choose Chrome. You can log in with your Spotify account. Now you can tap on agree to connect your Spotify account with BeReal. You can just wait. I think we need to reopen the BeReal app. And you can check again in settings. So now you have connect with your Spotify account on BeReal. It's very simple, right? So anytime maybe you want to share your when you post your BeReal posts, you can add music on it. You can add your music on Spotify, and your friend will know when you're listening your music on Spotify. It's very simple, right? So that is how to connect BeReal to your Spotify account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.